In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the modes on the Hisense air conditioner. So to change the modes, you need the Hisense AC remote, which is right here. And the air conditioner is right there. This is the inbuilt unit, okay? One, you also need to identify the mode button. It allows one to change the mode, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the four modes. One, we have the cooling mode. Two, the dry mode. Three, the fan mode. And then four, you have the heating mode. Now, you need to also know how do you know that you're in each of the modes? One, let's start with the first mode. So the first mode you can see right here, we are in the cooling mode currently. You actually see the snowflake icon right here. So this right here confirms that we're actually in the cooling mode. And this is the set temperature. To change the next mode, you press the mode button right here. Okay. Now, this is the dry mode. Now, the dry mode is represented by the auto drop icon right here. So that actually means we're in the dry mode. Okay, to change the next mode, which is the fan only mode, you press the mode button again, and then you will see the fan icon right here. Make sure that your remote is actually pointed at the unit to allow you change the modes accordingly. Then if you press the mode button again, you will go to the heating mode. Now, important to note is that some ACs might not be able to support this heating mode. Okay, so you press the mode button, you shift to another one. So this one is the cooling mode. Press the mode button, go to the dry mode. Press the mode button again, go to the fan only mode. Press the mode button again, go to the heating mode. Okay, press the mode button, so you can use the mode button to switch between the different modes on the Hisense air conditioner. So that is how you change the modes on the Hisense air conditioner. The subs the channel would be amazing if we find the video. If you want to know more about these mods, where I explain them in detail, check out this video right here.